Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've opened Garageband and loaded the project. Now focus. First, switch to Tracks view so you see regions across time. Click the track header to make sure the right track is active, then select the region you want to remove. Why? Because Garageband only deletes what's selected, so precise selection prevents accidental loss. Once done, glance at the ruler and zoom controls to confirm the selection boundaries. This gives you a clean starting point for cutting or deleting individual takes. You're in the middle of the edit, decide how much to remove. If you want the whole region gone, press delete. It's fast and permanent in the project timeline. For partial removal, position the playhead, then press Command+T to split. Select the unwanted segment and delete just that piece. Right-clicking a region reveals Cut, Split, and Move commands for nuanced control. Make sure to listen to the join points after edits, and use Undo immediately if timing or fades sound off. Finish by saving your project. This commits the deletion. If you also want the audio file removed from disk, choose File Move to Trash to clear the project's file in Finder. Once done, consider Save as to keep a backup before heavy edits. If you can't delete a region, check Common Blockers. A lock track, protected takes, or file permissions in Finder. Unlock the track, disable protection, or adjust permissions. If problems persist, restart Garageband and try the same deletion again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.